Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the Aquarium and Subnautica below zero. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my content. First of all, travel to the Delta Station dock, and from here you want to go ahead and travel to the radio tower. You want to go straight ahead. Here you want to go slightly to the right and into this cave. Go through it like I'm going, and here you'll see the Delta Station. Now to get the aquarium, you want to go ahead and go to the second building and go and open the door. And here you'll see the aquarium. So you can go ahead and scan it, and once you've unlocked it, you can go ahead and travel back to your base. Once you're back at the base, pick out your habitat builder and go to interior modules. Here you'll see the aquarium, on which you'll need glass and titanium. You can go ahead and click on it and place it where you find it suitable. Once you've placed it, you want to open the inventory and place in some live fish or eggs. If you've placed an eggs, they can hatch in a few days, and the fish can breed so you can have infinite amounts of food. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.